Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I am going to show you how to change YouTube TV billing. So let's get started. So here we are in YouTube TV, and the first thing that we would need to do to change our billing is click here on our profile on the top right of our screen. And once you are here, you want to click on settings right here. And then from here, you can see your membership, and if you want to add something into your membership, then you can just click here, or you can just manage your membership right here if that involves your billing. But in this case, we'll just go here into billing directly, and we're gonna go here and update right here. Since we're gonna be updating our billing, we're gonna be changing it or whatsoever on your payment methods or whatsoever right here. So click on verify right here. So you would need to verify your account first before you can change anything right here. Alright, so now once you have successfully verified your identity right there, now you can go and manage your subscriptions, your billings right here. So you have your payment methods right here. You can choose your payment methods right here that is associated in your Google account. You have your subscriptions and so on. So if you want to change this one, so you can click on manage right here. And then from here, you can go and click on change payment method if you want to, and then you would need to provide your new payment methods and so on. But this is basically how you can change your billing right here in YouTube TV. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching.